Hi guys, this tutorial is for completely beginners. So today I'm going to tell you the complete basics of Elementor in 10 minutes. So make sure you have a website and you have installed a WordPress on your hosting platform. So if you are not aware of that, just click on any of my videos, then just you will see get hosting option. So just click on that, and here you can buy a WordPress hosting, and after that just install the WordPress and you can see the dashboard something like this. So after that just go to the appearance, then themes, make sure to install the Elementor theme. So Elementor theme works with Elementor. So here you can see the Elo theme, just click on install and activate it. And after that, we need to install the Elementor plugin. So just go to the plugins and then install the Elementor. So here you can see it's already showing activate Elementor. So just click on it and it is now activated. So here you can see the Elementor plugin is already activated. Just click on update. So I will update the plugin and then I will show you the complete settings of the Elementor. There are different kind of features in Elementor and different features, and most features are available in Elementor Pro. But you can easily make sure to make your site in Elementor as well. So here you can see we have different kind of options, settings. So you can enable or disable any kind of setting from here. Let me show you the complete interface of Elementor. So just go to the pages in here, and after that just create a new page. I will create a new page. In here, I will just name it Elementor Basics. And then just click on Edit with Elementor. In the interface, you can see different options on your left hand side, and you can add different kind of widgets in your containers. So just go to the settings here, page settings. In here, hide the title. In page layout, just make sure make it Elementor canvas so you can see nothing. So you can see now the header is here. So I don't want to show the header, so just click on Elementor canvas. In here, just go to the widget section here. So you can see we have atomic elements widget here as well, but I just need to add this one. So here you can see the different kind of layouts on your left hand side. So just here, click on here plus icon. So you can see the flex box. These are the containers. So just click on any one of them. Here you can see in here inside of this container, so you can add anything. So for example, if you want to add a text here, header, so just insert a header here. So here you can see the header. In here, you can just change your header. So for example, here, if you want to show it something like, hi, my name is John. Okay. And then you can change the HTML tag. So I will leave it as it is. Then go to the style tab. In here, you can see the typography, alignment if you want to make it center. So here you can see it is centered, and it's totally up to you. Typography, let me show you the typography if you want to make the size a little bit bigger. So something like this. And then if you want to make the weight light, extra light, medium, is totally up to you. I will just keep it normal. Then the transform, we have uppercase, we have lowercase, we have capitalize, and then we have the normal option here as well. So I will just leave it uppercase. Then the style, normal, italic, it's totally up to you. So I will leave it italic or oblique, something like this. I will just leave it italic here as well. So the decoration, if you want to make it underline, overline, line through, is totally up to you. I will just leave it default. So the line height, something like this. Here you can see we have the line out. If you want to make it EM, so something like this, you can do it. So here, let me just leave it 1.6, something like this. In here, then the letter spacing, if you want to give it a letter spacing, is totally up to you. Word spacing, We have the option of word spacing. Here you can see. I will leave it as it is. Let's go to the padding here in the color section. In color section here you can see you can change the color. It's totally up to you. And in the text stroke here you can see it's getting bold, something like this. I will leave it as it is. Back to default, text shadow, blur. Here you can see it's blurring, horizontal, vertical is totally up to you. So let me just change the color so you can see it a little bit more. Here you can see here, horizontal here, something like this. So I will leave it as it is. Go to the advanced section here. In here you can give it a padding from top and bottom, something like this. And the margin, here you can see this is the margin. So it's totally up to you. Align self, align center, so you can totally get. Then the motion effects here. So the default animation fade in down, something like this. Fade in right. It's totally up to you how you want to make it. And then if you want to add another widget, so for example, if you select these two flex boxes, so you can select it and then just click on this one, copy it and paste it inside of this section. Here you can see. And on the right hand side, how you can add an image. Just search for an image or just drag and drop the image on the right hand side. And here you can insert an image. So for example, this is the image. So you can insert an image here. And if you want to make it a padding or height, so for example, let me just remove this section and let me just give it a something height 400 or 600 pixels. Here in this section here, you can make the justify content center and align item center. So you can see both are centered now. And then if you want spacing between these two containers, so just here you can see the gaps. For example, I want to give it a 40 something like this. So here you can see this is my padding. And here if you want to add a background image inside of this section, so just go to the style tab, here background tab, and insert a background image. So for example, this is my background image. So here you can see. Now if you want to change the color here, so just change the color here. Let me go to the background section again. So here you can see the background section, the position here, make it center. So we have different kind of options, so you can try each one of them. Button, scroll, fixed, it's totally up to you. So I will just leave it as it is. Repeat, I will make it no repeat. Default, I will make it cover, something like this. Here you can see. And here in the image section, we can give it different kind of a style. So width, so for example, we can give it a width, maximum width. It's totally up to you how you want it. So I will leave it as it is. And the height, if you want to give it a height, something like this. So you can, so for example, if I give it a height and then a cover, you can see it looks a little bit good. Here you can see. And the border radius, here we have the option of border radius. So if you want to make the radius something like good, so you can give it something like 30 or 40. It's totally up to you. Let me just give it 10 border radius here. So let me just publish it. And here on this section, you can preview the complete section here. Here you can see it looks like this. Let me just go back here again. And here, let me just go to the widget section here again. So if you want to add a button section, so just drag and drop the button inside of here. And then here you can change the text and you can give it, you can insert a link here. If you want to go to the style tab, if you want to change the text color or the background color, let me change the background color, something like this. Or let me just give it something like this. Here you can see. And the border tab, you can make it double, solid. It's totally up to you. The border width, I will just keep it 1, and the border radius is totally up to you how you want it. I will just give it a 30, and then position, I will make it center. Here you can see. In here, if you want to change the text typography, just click on here, and here you can see different kind of typographies. So this is the typography if you like, so just insert this one here as well. And we have different kind of options here. So for example, you can see adding image, text, video. If you want to add a video, so just drag and drop the video here. So here you can see the video is appearing here. So that's how you can change the settings. You can insert the source video self-hosted. So if you have your own video, so you can insert the link here or just copy it from there. So just need to make sure everything is right. And then if you want to insert an image overlay here, so just click on here and then insert, for example, this image. So you can insert this kind of image overlay on this section here as well. And the light box, something like this. It's totally up to you. And let me show you the different options here. Text editor, if you want to insert a text, so just drag and drop the text here. So you can see the text is, you can insert your own text here as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.